Hello, and welcome to our Nature and Wildlife channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature as seen through our lens. We start the year in winter, and wintertime has its own unique beauty. From beautiful, soft earth tones, to frosty sunrises, to snowy mornings, winter has its own unique color palette. This is what it looks like when 100,000 snow geese lift off. A walnut is a major prize for this squirrel in the middle of winter. What you looking at? It seems before we know it, winter sunsets have faded into springtime. The amazing wood frogs are among the earliest creatures to mate, securing the next generation. Their blood contains a substance similar to antifreeze. We have even watched them laying their eggs under the ice. One of the favorite sights and sounds of springtime are birds singing and gathering materials for their nests and feeding their young. And of course we can't forget spring wildflowers. As spring drifts into summer, we have long walks in the woods, turtles being silly, yes, even snakes. When we're out walking in nature, I'm never sure just who is watching who. Of course, summer brings brightly colored birds and creatures of all shapes and sizes, including tiny thumbnail-sized tree frogs like these spring peepers and gray tree frogs. This handsome fellow is a broad-headed skink, all dressed up in his finest mating colors. Hey Mom, what do I do now? Although the lazy days of summer seem like they will never end, all creatures sense the urgency to prepare the next generation for the coming change in seasons. And some days you just want to go fishing. Pollinators pollinating, preparing the next generation of flowers. It's not all peace and idyllic scenes in nature. The daily struggle for survival is real. This robber fly is consuming a bee that it just caught. Look at all the insects flying around this deer. Some of these insects, such as midges, can carry diseases like EHD that can devastate a deer herd. Nature is neither cruel nor kind. Nature simply is. We started the journey of 2023 in winter. Now summer is transitioning to fall, and fall will soon transition to winter. November is the deer mating season, otherwise known as the rut. This is when the big boys come out to play looking for a girlfriend. Even the wise old owl says winter's coming. Leslie and I want to wish everyone a 2024 filled with health, joy, and great times in nature. Thank you for a great 2023. More videos will come in the next year.